Shreyasi Singh is an Indian shooter and politician. She competes in the double trap event. She won a gold medal in the shooting at the 2018 Commonwealth Games in Gold Coast, Australia, women's double trap, and a silver medal at the 2014 Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, Scotland. In 2020, she joined India's ruling Bharatiya Janata Party and is a member of Bihar Legislative Assembly. From Jamui constituency. Shreyasi's grandfather Kumar Sarinder Singh and father Digvijay Singh were both presidents of the National Rifle Association of India in their lifetimes. Shreyasi hails from Gidhor in Jamui district of Bihar. Her father was also former union minister. Her mother Putal Kumari is also an ex-MP from Banka, Bihar. Shreyasi was an art student at Hansraj College, Delhi, and MBA student at Manav Rachna International University, Faridabad. Singh was part of the Indian team at the 2013 Trap Shooting World Cup held in Acapulco, Mexico. She won the 15th position there. Singh competed in the singles and pair trap events at the 2010 Commonwealth Games in Delhi. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.